bond energy. Bond energy is the energy evolved when a bond is formed between two atoms, or the bond energy is the energy required to break a bond between two atoms. All chemical reactions involve breaking of old bonds followed by the making of new bonds. So heat absorbed or released by the reactions comes from the chemical bond being broken or made respectively. See this example, hydrogen is reacting with chlorine, making up the hydrogen chloride. So what is happening? This hydrogen molecule is breaking down, and this bond is also breaking, and the new bond which is formed is HCl and HCl. These are the formation of new bond. So bond breaking is an endothermic process, and bond making is an exothermic process. Like this, if this bond is breaking, CH bond, energy is required to break that bond, so it will give you the product. While in case of bond formation, if H and H, these are forming a bond like this H2 molecule, so they will release some sort of energy. So bond breaking is an endothermic process, while bond make, making or formation is an exothermic process. Let us see here. You may see average bond energies of different molecules, like this bond energy is also known as dissociation energy, because the dissociation is an endothermic process. Bond dissociation energy is regarded positive because it requires energy, while the bond energy of the bond is the measure of the strength of that bond. The stronger the bond, the greater will be the bond energy. For example, if you may see here you may see the double bond and the triple bond as well. The greater the bond energy, then CC double bond, like this multiple bond, and C triple bond. Here you may see bond energies increases. So uh, triple bond has a greater bond energy than the double bond, and then which in turn with the single bond. So strength of the bond depends upon the number of multiple bonded system. So the bond depends upon so many factors: bond length, nature of the bond. So the bond having shorter bond length have greater bond energy. So let's see, breaking a bond uses energy, which is an endothermic process, and making bond releases energy, which is an exothermic. So the enthalpy change of reaction is overall difference in the energy between the energy used in the breaking the bonds in the reactant and the energy released in the formation of bond in the product. So you may calculate use the bond energies to form delta H of the reaction. Like these bond energies for the reactants are given, and this is the product. Because this minus sign is this is an exothermic process where bond formation takes place. So you may add up these all the energies like this, and which is twice the product. Twice the product, you will multiply this, you will get this 1.101 kilojoule per mole. In other words, you may solve it like the bond energy of the reactant minus delta H can be calculated by bond energy of the reactants with minus bond energy of the product. Simply you may add up these bond energies of the reactant and minus, you may use this product's bond energy towards the product, you will again get the same energy. In this way, you may calculate the By using bond energy, you may calculate or find out the delta H of the reaction.